Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger mii. Preheat a skillet or grill to medium-high and shape patties gently without overworking the meat. Season simply with salt and pepper and chill briefly to hold shape. Toast buns lightly and prep toppings so everything assembles quickly. I will walk you through searing, melting cheese, and finishing touches for a juicy, balanced burger mii you can repeat every time. Start by handling the meat gently and measuring patties for consistency and even cooking. Keep them relaxed and make a slight center indentation to avoid puffing as they cook. Season right before they hit the heat and press patties only once for a good crust. Cook to desired doneness, flipping just once, and rest briefly to keep juices locked in. These steps make burger mii reliably tasty and tender. Sear patties on high heat to build flavor, then reduce heat if needed to finish cooking. Add cheese in the final minute and cover briefly to melt without drying the meat. Toast buns for texture and spread sauces on both sides to prevent sogginess. Build the burger mii with lettuce, pickles, and onions for crunch and acidity. Resting a minute before serving helps maintain juiciness for an ideal bite every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.